Hey guys, this is Mac with the PD-4106 project, where you can follow along with my struggles to restore and repower my vintage Greyhound bus conversion. Um, if you haven't seen the last video, we got the transmission Bellhousing spacer off the old engine, and now I'm working on getting the transmission off the new engine, so I can install it in between there and get the transmission back on, of course, and start adjusting this engine. First, we gotta do all the bell housing bolts, which some of them are quite a pain to get to. Seems like each different one takes a different combination of wrench slash ratchet and or extension, deep socket, stubby socket when necessary, or definitely have your swivels handy of various swivel extensions of various lengths handy. Here's the bell housing drain to the transmission pan. I've got to take this large fitting out because the bell housing spacer ear covers it, and that has a block-off plate welded into it and fitting tapped into the bottom.
Oh yeah, that's bigger. Yeah, we do sure. It's okay. I'll leave that off for now. We'll clear up and put something on the fence. Back to business. Go where we can with it. I don't think that's gonna stay there. Put it where the filter is, like, but I'll just take it off for now and see how it goes after the spacers. Anyway. That's cool. Just think it'll crack as soon as I loosen? No? Alright, I better leave it in there just a little bit. Get it all chained up.
The BFC, or Big Effing Crowbar, sure gave the tractor a run for its money as far as the most valuable tool on this job. did end up having to get the transmission cooler out of the way. Sure gets dark quick in Arizona, and here comes that crowbar again. And what did I find inside? A message from a mechanic of days gone by. 3591. The next day I cleaned up the flanges in preparation for the gaskets to come, and little did I know at the time that was going to be a whole other story. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and subscribe if you want to follow along on YouTube.